Hey class, I will call you when I get home. I will call you when I will get home. Which one is correct? Both of these sentences have two actions in the future. Get home in the future, call you in the future. So why is this sentence correct and this sentence incorrect? Because of the word when. There are some words in English that we use to connect two sentences in the future to show what will happen first. For example, I will call you when I get home. The two separate sentences are I will call you, I will get home. If I want to put these sentences together into one sentence, I can use the word when. I will call you when I get home. Because I use the word when, it is easy to see what will happen first. I will call you when I get home. What will happen first? I will get home. Then I will call you. I will call you when I get home. Let's look at another example. I will meet you at the restaurant after I finish work. In this sentence, again, we have two actions in the future. I will meet you. I will finish work. I connect these two sentences using the word after. I will meet you at the restaurant after I finish work. What happens first? I will finish work. Then I will meet you at the restaurant. I will meet you at the restaurant after I finish work. Okay, there is something important to see in these two example sentences. In each of these sentences, I have a different connecting word for the future. When, after. And in each of these sentences, I have two future actions. Call you, get home. Meet you, finish work. But in each of these sentences, I only have one verb in the future. Let's take a look at the first example. I will call you when I get home. Both of these things are happening in the future. But in the sentence, I said will call, future, and get home, present. Why did I do this? Because of the word when. In this sentence, I am connecting two future actions. But because I use the word when, we have a special grammar rule in English. The verb after the word when is in the present, not the future. When I get home. I will call you when I will get home. No. I will call you when I get home. The same rule is true for the word after. I will meet you at the restaurant after I finish work. Finish is an action in the future, but because it is after the word after, this verb is in the present. I will meet you at the restaurant after I will finish work. No. I will meet you at the restaurant after I finish work. Okay, so we have an example with when, we have an example with after, but I can also do this with the words before, as soon as, and until. For example, before I finish school, I am going to look for a job. Again, two actions, both of them are in the future, but the verb that is with before is in the present. Finish. Before I finish school, I am going to look for a job. Present, future. I will continue reading until I finish this book. I will not stop. Again, two actions in the future, will continue, will finish. But in this sentence, I have one future verb, will continue, and one present tense verb, finish, because of the word until. I will continue reading until I finish the book. As soon as this video is over, I will watch it again. Two actions in the future, one present verb is, one future verb will watch. Why? Because I used as soon as. As soon as this video is over, I will watch it again. Okay, one more thing to remember when you are writing. Here are our example sentences again. In these examples, I wrote the words when, after, before, until, and as soon as to start the sentences. Because I do this, I need to put a comma. Is it possible to change the order of the sentences? Yes. I can put when, after, before, until, and as soon as in the middle of the sentence. I just change the order. If these words are in the middle of the sentence, I do not need the comma. I will call you when I get home. No comma. When I get home, I will call you. Yes, comma. Okay, quick review. I use words like when, after, before, as soon as, and until to connect two future actions and to show the order, which one will happen first. First, eat lunch. Second, take a nap. After I eat lunch, I will take a nap. Before I take a nap, I will eat lunch. As soon as I eat lunch, I will take a nap. I won't take a nap until I eat lunch. When I finish eating lunch, I will take a nap. When I will finish eating lunch, I will take a nap. No. When I finish eating lunch, I will take a nap. Okay, that is all for today's video. I hope this video gave you another way to speak and write in the future in English. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Sam. I'll see you soon.